Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to install and set up WordPress on localhost using WAMP server in your Windows 10 PC. Step by step, you can use WAMP server. I am using here WAMP server. Let's start WAMP server. Make sure that your WAMP server started and icon is green. Yeah, icon is green. That means all services running. Step 1, download WordPress from wordpress.org. For faster download, I am using download manager. Download completed. Okay. Step 2, unzip downloaded file. Extract here. Now step 3, create a directory within www. New folder wp pkdar. Created a folder wp. You can create it any name. Now copy all files from downloaded file, copy, paste here. New created folders. Okay, completed. Now need to create a database and user, so need to log in phpMyAdmin, localhost / phpMyAdmin. Username root, password will be blank. Click on go. Click new, database name wp beginner. Create, database created. You can create a new user from here, but now I am using root user. Okay, database created. Step 6, open browser. Now localhost wp beginner, enter. You can choose any one language from here. Then click continue. Let's see. Need to enter here all information correctly, like database name, username, password. Database name, copy, paste, user root user. For this root user, no need to enter password. Database host, localhost, table prefix wp beginner. Now click submit. Click run the installation. Now need to enter some site information. Site title wp beginner, username admin, password admin 123. Confirm use of weak password. Email your admin email address, like. Now click on the install WordPress. Completed. Let's see. Let's check. Username admin 123. 123. This is the WordPress dashboard. Let's see the site. Visit site. This is the install WordPress site with the default theme. In next video, I will show you the uses of this menu, like post, media, pages, comments, affiliates, plugins, user, tools, settings. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any query, you can comments here. Thank you. Bye bye.